Well, hello random YouTube people. We have been having battery problems with our vehicle. There's something parasitically draining the battery and we don't know what it is. And as a result, we can't even start the car. And as a result of that, we can't even put it in neutral to roll the car out of the garage to have someone help us jump start it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Shift Lock Release feature to be able to get your car set to neutral. Stay tuned. Subscribe. Well, hello random YouTube people. I'm in this Kia Telluride that we just got used, and this is the third time in less than a month that we've come and it's got a dead battery. So we have something that is parasitically draining the battery on our car. And this video is to talk about how you can turn this Shift Lock Release into neutral so we can back this thing out of the garage and we can have someone help us jumpstart it before we figure out what the parasitic issue is. So in the Shift Lock Release, all you're going to do is take a flathead screwdriver and put it in this little notch right here to pull up this little plastic piece. And then we're going to put this over here so we don't lose it. And then down in there, you're going to see a little opening. Before I show you what to do, first, if you look at this, if I press on the brake with my socks on and I click on this little plunger, I cannot move the shifter at all. It's locked. So what you're going to do is you're going to push your foot on the brake and then stick that same screwdriver down the hole. And you will hear a click like that, okay? And then now you'll be able to pull the plunger and put it back in neutral. So we're gonna have to manually push the car out of the garage so that we can get it into a place where we can jump start it. Once you are able to move your car where you want it to be, once you put it back in park, the shift lock will reset. So you're going to need to do it again if you need to put it in neutral again. And just a friendly reminder, when you're hooking up your battery with the jumper cables, always do the positive first and then the negative. And then when taking it off, reverse that. Take the negative off first and then the positive. And that, random YouTube people, is just how easy it is to use the Shift Lock Release feature on your gear shifter to get your car set to neutral if your battery's dead or you otherwise cannot operate it. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you out, then help me out. Give me a like, give me a comment, share this video, and most importantly, subscribe.
Subscribe.